Welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we are going over the string index method. So by definition, the index method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. If no value is found, raises an exception. So this is very similar to the find method, and we will shortly see in the couple of examples. So this is how the syntax looks like. As we can see, we have three parameters. The first one is required, and it specifies the value to search for. Two other parameters are optional, and the first one specifies where to start the search. Default is 0, meaning the beginning of the string, and the second optional parameter is end, meaning where to end the search. By default, this value is end of the search. Now the method will return the lowest index in string where substring sub is found, such that substring is contained within the string. The optional arguments start and end are interpreted as in slice notation. Like I said, it is basically this whole part is same as in the find method. The only difference is that if no value is found, meaning that the substring is not contained within the string, the method will return a will raise and value error. Okay, so let's look at some examples. In the first example, we are looking for an substring jungle in the string. And if we run this example, the return value is integer, signifying the lowest index at which the substring has been found. And the second example, we have specified two optional parameters, 0 and 10. And if we run this example, we can see that a value error has been raised, meaning that the substring was not found if within the search area. But if we use the find method and run this example again, we can see that the method will return -1. Now in the third example, we are looking for a comma in the string, and this is just to show you that in case that we have multiple characters inside multiple characters that we are looking for, inside the string, the method will return the lowest occurrence or the lowest index, basically starting the search from the left side. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.